Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take you through the process of visiting the doctor, a scenario many of us are familiar with but might feel a bit anxious about. Let's step into the doctor's office and see how a typical consultation might unfold. Imagine this. You walk into the doctor's office early in the morning. You're greeted by the warm smile of Dr. Smith, who's seated at her desk, ready to help. You sit down and say, "Good morning, doctor. I have a headache." With genuine concern, Dr. Smith replies, "Good morning. How long have you had it?" You think for a moment and respond, "Since yesterday. I also feel a little tired." Dr. Smith nods, taking notes. She understands that these symptoms, though common, can be quite uncomfortable. With a reassuring tone, she says, "I see. You should rest and drink more water." These words, though simple, carry great wisdom. Rest and hydration are often the first lines of defense against many such ailments. You're relieved to hear this straightforward advice, but naturally, a question lurks in your mind. "Okay, do I need any medicine?" you ask, hoping for a quick remedy. Dr. Smith smiles gently and says, "Just a painkiller if it gets worse." It's comforting to know that sometimes the solution doesn't lie in a myriad of medications, but in simple self-care steps. This interaction highlights an important lesson. Often, we rush to seek medication when a bit of rest and proper hydration can be the keys to recovery. Listen to your body, consult professionals when needed, but also remember the basics. Sleep well, stay hydrated, and give yourself time to heal. Before leaving, Dr. Smith offers a few final tips. She reminds you to monitor any changes in your symptoms and to return if things don't improve. It's all about staying in tune with your body and seeking help when necessary. As you leave the office, you feel more informed and reassured, a testament to the importance of effective communication between you and your healthcare provider. And that wraps up our visit to the doctor. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional about any symptoms you may experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content. Take care and see you in the next video.